Bipolar junction transistors were the ones we started using long back for our hobby electronics projects. In those days, we had PNP type of germanium transistors and NPN type of silicon transistors. Now, germanium transistors are seldom seen and we have both NPN and PNP types of silicon transistors. The other varieties were unijunction transistors UJT and field effect transistors FET and so on. NPN and PNP designations are depending on the components of the transistors. N-type material has extra electrons while P-type have holes or regions deficient in electrons.